Okay, we got our carburetor reinstalled, got all our vacuum lines hooked back up. Just like when we took it off, we had 4 nuts that held it on. I did an upgrade on this. You double up, I put, you have the thick gasket going between the carburetor and the EGR plate. I double that, I put that underneath, and no worries of EGR and stuff like that. I don't have to worry about that here. Plus this is going to be licensed as a classic vehicle. So anyway, we got this all ready to go, and we're gonna try and start it again. So 29 Ford F100 start after 5 years. We did have it running a little bit on the last video, but we're gonna try and get her going. We replaced the spark plugs, rebuilt the carburetor. Check out the last video on rebuilding the carburetor, and we're gonna give it a try right now. She runs pretty good. Have to do some adjusting. Got a little bit of an exhaust leak, so we'll get that squared away.